How to deactivate Facebook account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account within the Facebook app on iPhone, Android, and Samsung. And Facebook recently changed the menus, so this will be updated for June 2025. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. So to get started, simply open up the Facebook app. Then in the Facebook app, select Menu in the bottom menu. Once the menu opens, make sure that your Facebook profile is selected here. If not, you can select the drop-down and then select your Facebook profile. From there, select the gear in the top right. This will open up the settings and then select See More in Account Center. Once here, scroll down and we just want to go all the way to the bottom where you see Accounts and select Accounts. Once you've selected Accounts, select Account Ownership and Control, and then all you need to do is select Deactivation or Deletion. Go ahead and select the Facebook account that you want to deactivate. And then deactivate account will be pre-selected. So just make sure that's selected and then select continue. If you're the sole admin on any Facebook pages or groups, those will also be deactivated. So you can transfer ownership of those to another person. Check the description. I have a tutorial going over that, but go ahead and select continue. Enter your Facebook password and then select continue. It may give you another confirmation, but once you do that, your Facebook account will be deactivated. Now you can reactivate it by simply logging back into your account on the website or within the app. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.